In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted board on Pinterest. If you accidentally removed a board and want to bring it back, don't worry. Pinterest makes this process pretty simple, as long as the board is still available in the recently deleted section. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to look for so you can restore your board quickly and without confusion. To begin, log into your Pinterest account. You can do this on a computer or on a supported mobile app depending on what's most convenient for you. Just make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one Pinterest profile. That's important because deleted boards will only appear under the account where they were originally created. Once you're logged in, go to your profile. You can get there by clicking or tapping your profile picture. This will take you to the area where your personal boards, saved ideas, and other account content are stored. From your profile, select the Save tab. This is the section where Pinterest displays the boards and pins you've collected. If you're not already in Saved, make sure you switch to it before moving on, because the Restore option is located there. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Don't stop at your visible boards near the top. Keep scrolling until you reach the section labeled Recently Deleted Boards. This area is specifically where Pinterest places boards that were deleted but may still be recoverable. When you find that section, look for the board you want to bring back. You'll have two possible restore options depending on what you see on your screen. You may see a button that says Restore Boards, which can help you recover deleted boards from that section. Or you may see a restore option next to the specific board you want back. Click or tap the appropriate restore button. After that, Pinterest should return the board to your saved content. If you don't see the board immediately, give it a moment and then check your profile again under the Save tab. In many cases, it should reappear there once the restore action is completed. A helpful tip here is to act as soon as possible after deleting a board, because recently deleted content may not stay available forever. If the board no longer appears in the recently deleted board section, it may no longer be recoverable through this method. And that's it. That's how to recover a deleted board on Pinterest.